So before we begin, just need a quick raise of hands, people who have joined the WhatsApp GDSC community group. All right. Okay, I can see 19 people here. Okay. All right. So for others, I would request you to please join that group because all the updates regarding any events or campaigns are like first served there itself. Okay. So right. Before moving on, just a quick intro for what Google Cloud Study Jam campaign is. So in this campaign, you'll be learning about when you first of all that there's very limited seats out here. Uh, Coming to the number, it's 150 only. So it's a very great opportunity for you to grab this thing and have a great time learning over new skills. Talking about new skills, these are generative AI and cloud campaign. So what's generative AI? Okay, generative AI is like this is a hype word in 2023, right? So like working through all those artificial intelligence things, tools like Chat GPT, Cloud AI, all those things, creating prompts, working out things. These things are nothing but like generative AI, right? And Google and this in this Jam 2023, Google is providing this generative AI course, which is worth of some amount. I won't disclose that amount for free for those 150 students who are willing to join this campaign. All right. Plus, adding to this, they are also providing some of the courses for cloud computing things where you can access the cloud resources for free for during this campaign, like the time tenure during which you have the access to the course. And these all courses are free only for those students who get the access for the cloud, right? Next thing is, what will be the timeline, like what all things you have to do in this campaign. When you just get enrolled in this campaign, you'll get access to the course. Then you have, just like any other courses, you'll have the tutorials, you'll have to complete the lab assignments, and you'll have to complete a kind of small test, right? That's it in both the courses, generative AI and the cloud campaign thing. Okay. And just a second. Okay, yeah, sure. So, uh, reiterating it over again, there are only 150 seats available for students. So the seats will be filled on first come first serve basis. So it's all upon you. That's why I was telling you to join the WhatsApp community group of GDSC SSCBS. So you'll get updated that the latest, right? Now coming to the points. Okay. So if I hope you guys are joining with your laptops. Just a quick raise of hands, guys who have joined with laptops or their system. Okay, quite few. Uh, just giving a 5 minutes of buffer. If you guys can join with your laptops again, so that you can follow up through the what I'm going to do, it will be helpful for you.
बच्चे मेरा लंच खा गए हाँ नहीं आधे से भी ज्यादा 75%. क्यों?
Alright, guys, so I'll begin now. What you have to do is first visit this site. I'm dropping this in the chat box. Okay, now open this up. You'll see here that in general, you'll require a $29 per month subscription for this platform, right? And so, like, through this program, you'll get this access for free for the tenure of this campaign. Okay, starting with, you'll click here on the top right corner, you'll see join. Click on join. Sign in with a Google account. So I'm using my Google account. I already have one. Make sure you do not use any of your older email accounts. Like if you have earlier participated in this campaign, any kind of campaigns like 30 days of Google Cloud and all, make sure you do not use that thing. You should create a new account which should have been created only after 29th of August, right? Okay. Once you are here, you click on my account. You go to profile, top section. You can see this make badge profile public. If everyone is following up with me, so I can move further. Okay. Once you are here, click on this make badge profile public. Once this is public, you can see a link here. This is very important because the form we will be floating out requires this, and without this you won't be able to access this campaign or this platform. Okay, once you make this profile public, copy this, save it somewhere else, or store it in your notes. We'll roll out a form for this campaign for the registration thing. When you fill out this, make sure that your public profile is batch is public. You have copied this link and pasted it exactly the same. All these things, including the https www.cloudskillboost.google, all these things in the form itself. Nothing should be missed out. If anything gets missed, your application will get rejected. Okay, that's a very small thing. Like create an account, make a profile public, copy this link, paste it somewhere in the notes. We'll roll out a form, exactly paste the same thing there also. Okay, that's it. That's it. We don't require anything else. Okay, and now moving on, I'll show you something. Yeah, I was talking about this course, Introduction to Generative AI Learning Path. uh, it would be great if you guys can explore this on your own. Like rather, I will be explaining some things. the same things reiterating over it again and again. It would be great if you guys like uh, go through this again yourself. Okay, now at the last, coming to the prizes section. People who complete their campaign successfully and like if they are able to complete all those tracks, all those courses and activities, labs and tests, will get a swag from Google itself, and I'll be providing those swags to the winners also. All right. So okay, Anshu Bansal, please repeat. Anshu, from where do you want me to repeat again? Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. Next. Uh, Once you have copied that form, all right, copy it, store it somewhere, like in your notes, anywhere where you can safely keep it. That link. When we will roll out the form for registration for Google Cloud Jam 2023 campaign, you will fill that link. You'll get a placeholder for that link. You'll exactly paste this link to the form itself. All right, nothing should be left out. Okay, what is swag? Sort of swag is basically some merchandise, some cool stuffs like um, from like they will be sent by Google itself to you. They can be either a headphone or a mug, coffee mug, or a bag. Okay. So coming to the things, if anyone has any doubt, like am I cloud and clear here? Yeah, Nish.
Any idea when the form will be released?
Yeah, the form will be released tomorrow at around 10 to 11 a.m. Again, I'm reiterating, if you guys have your connections or if you have someone who are willing to join the campaign and were not able to join this meet, make sure you make them join the community group of GDSC SSCBS, because that's the first place we float anything out. No, approx date of campaign and duration. Okay, yeah, the campaign will start from 5th of September 2023 and will end on 2nd October 2023. So you will have enough time to complete all your tracks. Do we have to pay for anything? No, Jitin. It's completely free. If you are lucky to get if you're lucky to get among the first 150 students, you'll get the access free. Sachin, yeah, no, yeah, Sachin. The Google account, the Skill Boost account, not the Google account. I guess many of you might have got confused about this. Google account can be created on any date. The Skill Boost account, the platform which I was on, there your account should be created after 29th only, and you should not have like done any earlier labs or participated in previous campaigns. Only then your application will be considered. Ravika, I would suggest if you can use your personal Gmail accounts, because sometimes domains of colleges get mixed with different stuffs. We have to join only in Google Skill Boost, right? Or is it advised to join and like Google developers too? No, Dhruv, if you want to participate in this campaign only, you can join the Google Skill Boost account platform and fill up the form. If you want to get updated or stay updated with upcoming events, you can join any of the Google Developer Student Clubs group. Just for confirmation, people. Yeah. It's open to anybody, any student, any person who's having a Google account, they can join this campaign.
What will be the end product? What we will be getting after this skill boost program?
I'm sorry, Saurabh, your voice was cracking. Can you reiterate or like type in the chat box?
What will be the end product we will be getting after this skill boost program?
Okay, all right. Yeah. So again, reiterating this thing, you might have heard about generative AI, right?
Yeah,
Yeah. People are willing to learn generative AI in today's day. Am I correct?
I don't have much information about this.
Okay. Just for a very basic knowledge, do you know about how DevOps things are growing too much, along with development things? All right.
A little bit.
Huh, yeah, right. So these things, these two things basically, generative AI. If you go to the cloud platform again, you'll see they are requiring in general. If you don't participate in this campaign, if you want to learn or if you want to go through some of the courses, it requires at least $29 per month subscription. Okay,
Yeah.
and yeah, and through this campaign, you'll be able to access these two courses. The first one is generative AI, and the second one is the cloud thing. You learn about the cloud resources, cloud computing, how things work, how things get hosted on cloud, how virtual machines work, how these stuffs are handled, like all those things. Okay.
So after this, we will get access to those two courses
Yeah.
free.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So,
सर्टिफिकेट का भी बता दे.
yes, guys, you'll be also getting certificates after completing these campaigns, which will be issued by our chapter. Is this campaign helpful for our discipline students? And moreover, do we need to fill the registration form in community if we have joined the community? Jitin, no. If you have joined the community, the forms for the registration of the for this campaign will be floated there, and you need to just fill up that form. We'll mention out it specifically what that form is for. Okay, and regarding the discipline, yeah, any background is sufficient for that. You just need to be an undergrad. Yeah, Anish.
Tomorrow, before releasing the forms, can you just provide a heads up about 30 minutes before you go public with the form?
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure, sure.
Thank you.
Kartike, so no, sorry, like what we have been issued is just do those two courses, the generative AI one and the cloud campaign. Will student from other colleges be able to join this GCGJ via the form provided in the community? Yeah, yeah, Deep. Anyone, I'm again reiterating it. Anyone from any campus, any background can join this campaign. Even if a school student can join this campaign, there's no issue in that. Okay, having a laptop for this course is a must. Yeah, Dhruv, like having a laptop and a strong internet connection is required for this. And make sure you guys complete this campaign by before 2nd October, I must say, to either receive a certificate or receive swags from Google. Harshit, which link are you talking about? The Google Cloud Skill Boost program link. Okay, yeah. I'm dropping it again in the chat box. Yeah, Anish.
What will be the content of the course? Will it be videos or articles or something else?
Yeah, it will be a mix of everything. Like you'll get short videos, tutorials, written notes, and like exercising things will be everything will be on the platform itself, and you'll be practicing in the real time data. That's the big thing.
Okay, understood.
Yeah. Is this being provided by SSCBS only? No, 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 Jatan. Like uh, Google Developer Student Club has been formed in many other colleges as well. Being a part of GDSC SSCBS, We are opening this for all community groups, like not just restricting it to our campus. We are opening to other people as well. Can we use low end laptops also to complete the course or high end laptop? No, like basic lab, like very minimalistic requirement is there. If you have a good internet connection and a Google Chrome browser, that's enough for you to complete this. Is it a choice to select one course? No, Ashit, it's mandatory for you to complete both the tracks to be able to complete this campaign. Jitin, okay. Yeah, so Jitin, reiterating over it, this is not provided by SSCBS only. This is being provided by Google itself to the Google Developer Students Club. Being a part of that club, we are not restricting ourselves to students of our campus only. We are opening it to other communities as well. Yeah, okay. All right. Okay, guys. Yeah, Anish.
According to you, what would be the time required to complete the course? As you said, the deadline is about 2 October, but with consistency, how much time would be required to complete a course?
See, according if I go through my experience, last time when I participated in 30 days of Google Cloud, the tracks were exactly set for approximately 20 to 23 days. Though it was a 30 days Google Cloud, if you are willing to like devote even if 2 hours a day, it will take you 20 to 23 days. It was when it was just a cloud campaign. Here, this year only, they have introduced a generative AI course as well. Until last year, it was only cloud things that were present in this campaign. So, like, uh, telling you exactly how much time will it take, I'm not sure about it.
Understood.
On what basis candidates will be judged after completing the course? Kartikeya, I'm still not sure about this. I'll let you know, guys, like what basis they are deciding it. The limit of 150 is for certificates and swags or what? Okay. So the certificates will be provided only to those students who complete the track, not just register for this campaign. They need to complete the whole track. Only then after they can get certificates. Coming to swags will be provided according to the tiers of the college as well. So if 40 students get complete this campaign, so and if only 50 students had registered, so the top 40 students who had completed, they will only get the swags. So there's a tier, like a tier of 40, 60 and 80, and the criteria for providing the swags is still not announced to us, so we'll let you know about this. Jitin, can you just explain it, like what limit are you asking about? Yeah, there's exactly 150, no more than 150 students can participate in this campaign, so we're restricted to 150 seats only. Yeah. Also make sure when you are asked to submit your Google ID, Skill Boost account ID, you submit your Gmail ID from which you created that account, not the other one. Like if I created using xyz at gmail.com and I'm filling the form from abc at gmail.com, so use xyz at gmail.com from which you created that skill boost account. Kartikeya, no, there's no prerequisite for this course. Again, guys, again reiterating over the account thing. Suppose I have two accounts, abc at the rate gmail.com, and I have another account, xyz at the rate gmail.com. I created my skill boost account using xyz at the rate gmail.com. Okay. And if I'm filling up the form using abc at the rate gmail.com, the section where we are asking for your skill boost account id, you'll provide your email id from which you created your skill boost account, that is xyz at the rate gmail.com. Okay, is there any doubt in this thing? Dhruv, yeah, you can, you have to put the same id. Okay, guys, any more doubts? Aviral, you basically just do not think that completing the course will mark your campaign as completed. You'll still need to complete the labs and the assignments as well to mark this campaign as done. Only then you will able to get certificates. Dhruv, if you are very interested, if it depends on the interest of a person. If you're very much interested about learning these new technology, learning about generative AI and cloud things, like it will be very easy. Like there's no such rocket science in this. Like there's no prerequisite for coding skills as well. Sneha, can you please share the community group link in the chat box? Okay, Kartikeya, it's my pleasure. Guys, Sneha is putting down the community group link. If you think you have your peers or folks around you who will be also interested in joining this campaign, do ask out them about this campaign. Do explain what this campaign is all about. Make sure they join the community group. We'll be again sending you some of the tutorials and things out for them also if they have missed out this meet. Okay, yeah, Sneha shared this thing. Vanshika, any prerequisite? No, Vanshika, there's no prerequisite for this. Can we add anything in our CV's resume regarding the study now? Do we have to participate in the competition mentioned before? Dhruv, you can add this if you complete this campaign. You can, and we will be providing with you that with the certificate as well, the certificate of completion. You can add that thing in your CV. Yeah, yeah, Jitin, this registration link is compulsory for all to fill out.
Brother, will we be able to manage this code with our academics? कि हम लोग सेकेंड ईयर जस्ट स्टार्ट किए हैं और इतने सारे पेपर्स में भी काफ़ी टाइम देना है, ये भी एक्स्ट्रा, तो
Okay,
कैसे?
all right. Saurav, एक बात बताओ, like, do you think following the college curriculum is enough for you to get a job or land somewhere good?
No, that's not enough.
Right now, like what we are being taught in any of the institute in India, is more than 10 to 12 years old syllabus. And I guess no, for you it might have been new. NEP thing is out now, so there might be some differences in the syllabus, but mota like there's all the same. You won't be learning about some of the new technologies which are running around us in your coursework, in your college coursework,
Okay.
right? And making yourself fit for those things, landing somewhere good, grabbing these opportunities are the little things which will upskill you slowly. It will not exactly like तुम्हें अचानक से रातों रात ये बहुत अच्छा प्रोग्रामर या कोडर नहीं बना देगा, but add participating in these small things will definitely help you out. Or and talking about the like what how will you manage these things, taking out barely 1.5 or 2 hours is enough. Even if you don't manage to like get out things, kabhi agar छूट गया, then you have your weekends. That's a full time, like बहुत time होता है weekends पे, you can complete these things at that time also.
Okay.
I hope
Okay.
I'm clear.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Dhruv,
देखो
any particular?
सौरभ भाई,
हम्म।
आपको बाकियों से ऊपर उठना है।
कोशिश तो रहेगा।
हाँ जी, तो आपको करना पड़ेगा ये सब। अगर आपको बाकियों से ऊपर उठना है तो
भाई कब
आपको
से
एक्स्ट्रा
स्टार्ट हो
एफर्ट
रहा है?
डालना पड़ेगा।
Uh, this way, this is starting from 5th of September.
थैंक यू।
Okay. I was reiterating to the chat. Any particular software we should download before? And no, you just need to have again. You just need to have a good internet connection and a Google Chrome browser. Can you please tell about the competition thing again? Aviral, I'm confused. Are you talking about this campaign or any other competition? Do we need to fill CodeJam form shared by Sneha using the same Gmail email जो हम Google Cloud platform पे use करेंगे, or can we use our primary Gmail ID for this form as of now? Okay, उज्जवल, uh, आप किसी भी गूगल फॉर्म से फॉर्म सबमिट करो, बट जो प्लेस होल्डर होगा फॉर द अकाउंट आईडी, जो गूगल स्किल बूस्ट अकाउंट आईडी जिसमें रिक्वायर्ड है, that ID should be the same from which you created your skill boost account. I hope I'm clear. Is required that a college 40 students participated in. Okay, yeah. So that's not about just 40 participation. That's about 40 completion of this campaign. Like 40 students have successfully completed this campaign. That's the tier marking for all these three tiers, like 40, 60, and 80. So like if you guys are interested to get very cool swags from Google, make sure कि तुम अपना कैंपेन अपना ट्रैक कंप्लीट कर लो, इस कैंपेन को सक्सेसफुली खत्म करो, सो दैट लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ यू कैन गेट इनटू द हायर टीयर्स. और टू योर सरप्राइज आई लाइक टू शेयर कि दिस लाइक व्हाट शुड आई से, जो स्वैग्स का एक्सपेंस होगा वो दैट विल डिपेंड ऑन योर टीयर. लाइक टीयर 3 को बहुत नॉर्मल सा स्वैग मिलेगा, टीयर 2 विल गेट सम गुड स्वैग्स, टीयर 1 आर द बेस्ट. That's the thing. Okay, overall competition with Dhruv mentioned in this question. Okay, I'm not getting exactly. I've just mentioned the competition about this cloud campaign. If you are confused about the swags, that which who all will get the swags, that I'm still unclear about. Still unclear about the benchmarks and the criteria for deciding the swags. Can we use any ID in sign in? No, Harshit, I'll suggest you to create Skill Boost account through your Gmail account only, Google account. Bhaiya, I joined a bit late. I'm clear with the doubts that you solved, but can you once brief about the campaign timeline and process? Sharma Anurag. Okay, okay, Anurag. Uh, so just reiterating over it again. I talked about this is a campaign, Google Cloud Jam campaign of 2023. In this campaign, you will be learning about two things: the generative AI thing, and second one is about cloud computing. What you need to do is we'll roll out a form. First of all, you'll need to be a part of that community. We'll roll out a form. You need to create an account on Google Skill Boost platform through your Google account, through your Gmail ID. When you create your Gmail ID, go to the profile section. There you will have an option to make your profile badge public. Click that, a link will be generated. Copy that link, take it out, store it somewhere safe, and in any of your notes or any safer place where you usually put things out. When you are filling the actual Google form, Google Cloud registration campaign registration form, you will paste this link in the form where we are asking for the badge link. Okay, so that's the thing. After the course itself is over, how are we supposed to receive the swag and certificate? Yeah, Deep. If you are among the students who are eligible for getting the swags, I'll be contacting you for the swags and the certificates. If in my college 40 students has not participated, then what I do because I want to enhance my. Harsh, this is not specific to your college, but this campaign should be completed by at least 40 students through the link, through the Google form link which I'm sharing to you. That's it. You need not to worry about how many students participated from your college. If you have your friends or if you have some people in your college who are willing to participate, do share with them. Okay, guys, so like any more doubts?
Guys, any doubts in general? Anything related to college or outside college? Anything?
I thought you are taking students from CBS only. No, no, Anurag. It's open for every community, every institute, every campus. Last date to make account is 31st. No, yeah, last date to submit this form is 31st. साइन इन में तो पुरानी जीमेल भी यूज कर सकते हैं या हर्षित यू डोंट नीड टू वरी अबाउट द गूगल अकाउंट यू जस्ट नीड टू वरी अबाउट कि तुम्हारा जो स्किल बूस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म अकाउंट है ना दैट शुड बी क्रिएटेड ओनली आफ्टर 29th. Are we supposed to put the generator link in the email section of the form or the email that we registered with the skill boost platform? No, Deep. You will be asked for your account ID separately और वो आईडी होगी जो तुमने यूज करा है अपना स्किल बूस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म क्रिएट करने के लिए. लाइक as I mentioned earlier, if your Gmail ID is xyz@gmail.com and you created your skill boost platform account from xyz@gmail.com, so when we are asking the account ID, you will be filling xyz@gmail.com, and for the link thing we'll be explicitly mentioning the badge profile link. There you have to copy paste that link exactly. Yeah. Okay, so I guess that's the wrap. I guess I can wrap up this meet now. So anyone who has any doubt or wants to talk about something else, you can stay. Others can leave if you have any other engagements as well. Okay, guys. Bye bye. See you.